Díaghuit agus fáilte go dtí an rang Gaeilge. Tá an rang seo dírithe na Briathra Neamhrialta. Tá ein bhríthar déag na Briathra Neamhrialta. There are 11 irregular verbs. There are be, aber, vai, feic, té, déin, tuair, tar, cluis, bear, I. Okay, so an seo, an documéid seo, tá an aimsir loirech agus aimsir áisteanach. Diúltach gom leisceil, dearafach an seo, positive, diúltach an seo, negative, agus bhríthar an seo, free verb. Free of what? Free of mé tú sé she. Okay, so go hintach. So be, to be. V, I was, you were, so V may, V2, V sé, V she. VMR, we were. On Rev 2, were you. Time, I am. So note that in the aimsir loirech, okay, in the present tense, the may will always have an IM or AIM at the end. Okay, so time, I am. Derum, I say. Fayum, I get. Fecum, I see. Okay, so ration show, this is be, okay? So tá mé, tá tú, I am, you are. Támid, we are. Inis an ceistach. An will to, are you. An will she, is she. An nearan she, does she say. An vayan to, do you get. Okay, so there's the ceistach. I'm sure áisteanach, by. By may, by to. I will be, you will be. By mid, we will be. On my to, will you be? Okay, and that's how that works. Okay, so all the way across, just follow the verb down all the way. Okay, so fi, I'm sure, there's your I'm sure chatte, I'm sure loirech, I'm sure áisteanach. Okay, just be cuireamach an seo. Yoey may, I will get. Fecky may, I will see. Rocky she will go. Dain he shead, they will make or do. Tuair he may, I will give. Chucky to, no Chucky sé, he will come. Or Chucky may, I will come. Clush he shead, they will hear. Bear he may, I will catch. Easy shead. Okay, so in the I'm sure áisteanach you will see ones that are quite different, but overall, fecky to a lawn pátrún. You will see patterns. You will see things that will be similar to the Briathra Neamhrialta. Except in the Briathra Neamhrialta, we don't get too bogged down with réim nua hain, réim nua dó, lehan quail. We just go with it, and they are what they are. Okay? Now, there's your diúltach. Ní raibh may, I was not. Níl may, I am not. Ní vai may, I will not be. Ní dúirt she did not say. Ní dhéanann she does not say. Ní dhéirí she will not say. Okay? I'm sure chatte, I'm sure loirech, I'm sure áisteanach. Bhríthar. Now, tá a lán cín atá dúracha an sin. The ones that are shaded, they're the most common ones to focus on. Okay? So dúrach, no dúrú, is the verb to say. So dúrach, it was said. Deirtar is said. Therefore, will be said. Furthas, it was received or it was found. Fighter is received. Yofer, it will be received. Okay? Okay, so sin é, Cleachtadh a dhéanann máistireacht. You won't just click your fingers and get this, okay? Is próséise tá an seo. Tá próséis. There's a process here. Cleachtadh, cleachtadh, cleachtadh. Okay? Agus muoín. Okay? Cleachtadh, agus dhéanann cleachtadh agus tagann an muoín, the confidence. Okay? Go hintach. Slán go fóill.